Good morning. Woman. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, how are you feeling this morning? Woman. I'm feeling quite good today, ma'am. Thank you for asking. Ma'am, that's nice to hear. Did you wake up early today? Woman, yes, ma'am. I woke up early and offered my morning prayer. Ma'am, that's very good. Early mornings make the day more productive. Woman, yes, I agree. I feel fresh when I wake up early. Ma'am, how was the weather this morning? Woman, the weather was pleasant. There was a cool breeze. Ma'am, that sounds lovely. Did you go for a walk? Woman, yes, ma'am. I walked for about 20 minutes. Ma'am, excellent. Morning walks are good for health and mind. Woman, yes, ma'am. I feel relaxed after walking. Ma'am, did you have breakfast? Woman, yes, ma'am. I had a light breakfast. Ma'am, what did you eat? Woman, I had eggs, bread, and a cup of tea. Ma'am, that's a healthy breakfast. Woman, thank you, ma'am. I try to eat healthy in the morning. Ma'am, that's a very good habit. How is your energy level today? Woman, I feel energetic and motivated. Ma'am, that's great. Morning energy helps us learn better. Woman, yes, ma'am. I feel ready to study and work. Did you face any trouble waking up today? No, ma'am, I slept early last night. Sleeping early is very important. Yes, ma'am. I am trying to improve my routine. I'm glad to hear that. How was your night? It was peaceful. I slept well. Good sleep improves mood and focus. Yes, ma'am. I feel calm today. How is your family this morning? Everyone is fine, ma'am. Thank you, that's good. Did you prepare anything for them? Yes, ma'am. I prepared breakfast for everyone. That's wonderful. You are very responsible. Thank you, ma'am. I try my best. How do you usually start your morning? First I pray. Then I freshen up and help at home. That's a beautiful routine. It makes my day organized. Do you feel motivated in the morning? Yes, ma'am. Morning gives me hope. That's a lovely thought. Morning feels like a new beginning. You're absolutely right. A fresh morning brings new chances. Yes, ma'am. I always think positively in the morning. Have you planned your day? Yes, ma'am. I made a small to-do list. That's excellent. Planning saves time. Yes, ma'am, it keeps me focused. What is your first task today? My first task is studying English. That's great. Are you enjoying learning English? Yes, ma'am, I enjoy it very much. Do you practice speaking daily? I try to practice every morning. That's very good. Morning practice is effective. Yes, ma'am, my mind feels fresh. Do you feel confident while speaking now? I feel more confident than before. That's progress. Confidence grows with practice. Thank you, ma'am. Your guidance helps me a lot. You're welcome. Do you revise old lessons in the morning? Yes, ma'am, I revise them after breakfast. That's a smart approach. It helps me remember better. How long do you study in the morning? Around 1 hour, ma'am. That's enough if you stay focused. Yes, ma'am, I avoid distractions. That's excellent discipline. I'm trying to improve myself step by step. Improvement takes time, but consistency matters. Yes, ma'am, I remind myself daily. Do you feel stress in the morning? No, ma'am, morning makes me calm. That's good. Stress-free mornings are healthy. Yes, ma'am. I avoid negative thoughts. What motivates you in the morning? My goals and my family motivate me. That's wonderful. Strong motivation brings success. I believe that too, ma'am. Do you like quiet mornings or busy ones? I prefer quiet mornings. Me too. Silence helps in thinking clearly. Yes, ma'am, it feels peaceful. Do you listen to anything in the morning? Sometimes I listen to soft recitation or light music. That's a good habit. It relaxes my mind. How do you feel right now? I feel happy and positive. That's lovely to hear. Talking in the morning makes me feel good. Morning conversations set the tone for the day. Yes, ma'am, I feel encouraged. Do you greet others in the morning? Yes, ma'am, I greet everyone at home. That spreads positivity. Yes, ma'am. It creates a good environment. What do you usually say when greeting? I say good morning with a smile. A smile makes greetings warm. Yes, ma'am. People respond happily. That's the beauty of kind words. I agree, ma'am. Are you ready to start today's lesson? Yes, ma'am, I'm fully ready. That's great enthusiasm. Morning gives me confidence. I'm proud of your attitude. Thank you so much, ma'am. Let's make today productive. Yes, ma'am. I'm excited. Remember, every morning is a new opportunity. I will remember that, ma'am. All right, let's begin our work now. Sure, ma'am, let's start.